Hello everyone, in this report I want to show you Tesla Giga Berlin's progress of the battery factory at Giga Berlin, and you can see how much they have done work. Today I was looking on Twitter and I saw that my friend Albrecht, who provides regular information from Giga Berlin and tweets under the Twitter handle Gigafactory_4, has shared very recent some interesting pictures showing the progress at Giga Berlin's battery factory. Look how much they have advanced. You can see the pillars going up. I see that it looks like nice drone shots. I really like. Thank you, Albrecht, for all these images. And you can see the concrete going up. I'm looking at his tweet. He says work at the highway exit northwest is going up greatly. Battery building from south, more pillars west side of the main building, and also he says that more concrete for the battery facility, dredging work on the huge sandhills. So what do you think, friends, about the battery facility progress at the Giga Berlin? You know, battery facility is very important for Giga Berlin. There was intense competition among European countries to host the Gigafactory because of its expected significant contribution to the economy of Germany and Europe. The sprawling facility, which is expected to be one of the largest manufacturing lines in Europe, will need a considerable number of employees despite many high automated processes. There is also a concerted effort in the region to encourage electric vehicle battery manufacturing, since it is viewed as a strategic economic measure due to an increasing global transition towards renewable energy. A 2018 report revealed, for instance, that the world will need at least 25 more gigafactories by 2025. The projected uptick in demand for electric cars and in-home power storage systems is causing concerns about the European fuel dependency on Asia, or actually Middle East, which as of early 2018 according for 88% of global electric vehicle battery manufacturing capacity. By 2018, European governments were providing subsidies and incentives to companies like Tesla, as well as local battery manufacturing startups like Northvolt and Terra E, to build production infrastructure within its borders, according to Matthias Machik, state secretary at the German economy ministry, who said, "We are in the center of the biggest and deepest change in the automotive industry since its beginning. We would be naive to think we can handle battery technology as a commodity that can be bought anywhere in the world." On November 12, 2019, the selection of the Berlin location for Tesla's fourth Gigafactory facility was officially announced by Tesla CEO Elon Musk on the Das Golden Lenkrad Award show held in Berlin. Giga Berlin is expected to produce batteries, battery packs, and powertrains for use in Tesla vehicles. It will also do assembly of the Tesla Model Y, which has been previously announced for Gigafactory 4 in March 2019. This is why it's very important to see how fast the Giga Berlin's battery facility production, actually construction, is moving forward. Speaking of Giga Berlin, as I reported earlier this morning, looks like Elon Musk just got new friends in the Green Party in Giga Berlin in Germany, which will help to speedify and accelerate the approval of Giga Berlin factory. And once it is done, then the battery facility will be accelerated as well. So green politicians in Germany do not see problems with the water supply of the Tesla Giga Berlin factory. You know, the water supply is one of the major issues slowing down the Giga Berlin's production construction. Now, the green leaders denied environmental groups' fears that the construction of a Tesla factory would lead to water problems in Brandenburg. So what happened, friends? Recently, the leader of the Green parliamentary group, Anton Hofreiter, visited the Tesla construction site and Grünheide Giga Berlin construction site, and he confirmed that he does not see any problems with water consumption there. He said, "I made inquiries. The amount of water that is needed is optimized and can be provided," the politician said. Tesla's new factory has faced opposition in Germany, and the water supply has become one of the stumbling blocks, friends, while the issue has already been openly resolved and commented on by both Tesla CEO Elon Musk and the Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association WSE. Stakeholders still continue to distort the facts by portraying the American manufacturer, electric car manufacturer Tesla is a villain and spreading false fears, reports the Tasmanian's Eva Fox. And at the moment, at phase 1 of expansion, the car factory and battery factory will need 1.4 million cubic meters of water per year. The American electric car manufacturer Tesla and the WSE, which is the water provider in the area, have signed a contract for the supply and maximum consumption of 1.5 million cubic meters of water per year. Elon Musk previously mentioned that this calculation was based on peak factory consumption, but in reality these are not daily events, so water consumption will be lower. That is why any accusations and problems based on this have no basis. But to be honest, we don't know how often those peaks will be. We don't expect it to be very much, but the time will show. Now, at the end of March, the Brandenburg Ministry of Environment issued an official statement that the state has sufficient groundwater resources to produce drinking water as well as to supply commerce and industry. So here's what they said. Brandenburg currently has sufficient groundwater resources for the production of drinking water as well as for the supply of trade and industry. This applies to both the quantity of water and its quality. End of the quote. Now, green politicians have sided with Tesla. This is wonderful. This is good for Tesla, because until now it was seeming that the environmentalists are against Tesla. But now green politicians are siding with Tesla, reaffirming that environmental groups' concerns about water supply of Giga Berlin and other aspects of construction are groundless. Hofreiter recalled that the approval process for the construction of Giga Berlin is proceeding smoothly and reasonably in accordance with the law. Green candidate for Chancellor Annalena Baerbock said she was very confident in the state government and that if it approves the construction of Giga Berlin, it will act in accordance with the law. The politician fully trusts the Brandenburg authorities. Well, friends, exciting things are happening, but we just learned also that more groundwater is to be tapped for Tesla. This is new just this morning from Germany, reported by RBB's 24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. And the public radio RBB says, because the water problem for Tesla remains in Grünheide, a groundwater deposit in Hangelsberg is to be tapped. So more water is going to come from Hangelsberg. Now, I don't know the map really well at the moment. I don't have it in front of me. I don't know how far is Hangelsberg from Grünheide, from Giga Berlin. If you guys know, please write in the comment section. We would greatly appreciate it. Now, so more groundwater deposit is going to be tapped from Hangelsberg for Giga Berlin. However, the responsible state office warned against politically motivated haste, that there is no need for that. Well, friends, let me know what you think about these decisions and this progress of Giga Berlin's battery factory. And you know, once it reaches full capacity, it's going to be the largest battery factory in the world, unless at that time we have new battery factories either from Tesla or from other major battery producers. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news that happens hours ago. We bring it to you daily, as you can see, and give us thumbs up, like this video, friends, and share in social media, Twitter, WhatsApp, and so on, Instagram, Facebook. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps us tremendously. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and let's go on living our lives doing only good.